guys, we are cleaning, organizing, decorating, sprucing up just in time for summer, and I am ever grateful to ThredUp for partnering with me on this video. It has been way too long since we've had a video like this. Let's get into it. It's summertime, which means guests coming over, and the main spots of our house everyone sees, the downstairs powder room and our back patio, definitely needed some extra love and a makeover. So today I'm sharing with you 7 money-saving tips to help your spaces look and feel their best. And you too. I may not be a professional. That's definitely true, but these tips have helped me so much. And the first one is choosing a paint color, especially if you see other people having these beautiful colors and you pick something and it never looks how you want it to. This is my super secret: to choose Sherwin-Williams colors of the year. Every year they choose the favorite colors from their lines, and you know they're going to be rich and beautiful with tons of online inspiration. And once you have that color, then it's time to clearance shop. And now is a great time to score some super deals. I'm in the clearance section and check out what I found. All of these beautiful white towels. Okay, so I really quick ran out to Hobby Lobby because summertime is the best time to shop for art, specifically reduced clearance art. Anytime you see that orange sticker on something, it will be mixed in with all of the really high price stuff. It's 75 to 90% off. This one is gorgeous. Originally $54.99 and it's just $13.74. Oh, this is clearance. This is $12. That's really beautiful. Summer's one of the only times I'm in Hobby Lobby, but I also had to hit up my stomping grounds, the Dollar Tree. I found these giant canvases and knew they would be perfect for an art project. I also grabbed a mop. Yes, a mop from the Dollar Tree. There's an artist on TikTok that really inspired me named Carolyn Mara, and she paints using mops. This was such a relaxing experience. I had so much fun doing this. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. My favorite was how this mini $1 canvas turned out, and I stuck it inside a frame that I already had. This is such a simple project and looks so high-end. I love that it's a conversation starter, and even more that it was kind of fun and healing to make. And don't forget about yourself this summer either when you're dressing to host. Oh my goodness, you guys, I have been loving this navy color everywhere, including my clothes. I'm so grateful to be partnering with ThredUp for this video. ThredUp is the largest online retailer with clothing items that are new and like new, up to 90% off. And I have a special promo code for you guys, but let me show you the types of clothes I'm finding. Today's outfit is this super cute romper. It's assorted brands. It retails for $48 and the ThredUp price was just $23. But I've just been loving rompers. They're so easy to wear and super cute with a jean jacket. This Lulu's romper retails for $60 and I got it for $23.99 in that gorgeous navy color. This $25 SO shirt, do you guys see how nice this is? Was just $12.99. This has been a staple. I've worn this actually a few times. When I put it back in the box so I can show you guys. Look at me in my little tall shoes. I gotta crouch down so you guys can see. This retails for $119 and I got it for under 30 bucks. But it's just so comfortable and flattering with pockets. It also looks great with a sweater. If you get really overwhelmed by clearance shopping or secondhand shopping, the website interface is so easy to use. I hope you love it as much as me. I was able to score this J. Crew dress for 20 bucks and it retails for $100. It's perfect for summer. I'm also loving this cupcake romper. It is just so comfortable. Look how pretty the flowers are on it. Really easy to wear. Tons of items are brand new with tags. These Parker shorts, which are gorgeous, retail for $248. I got them for $37.99. And the cool thing is you can see if other people have hearted the item, other people who like it, so you know if that is a hot ticket seller. This Becca romper retails for over $70 and I got it for under 20 bucks. I wore it in a recent video and the clothes are just really quality. I'm gonna have ThreadUp linked in my description box below along with my link, and don't forget to use the code DIME at checkout for 30% off of your first order. I'm so looking forward to this summer season, feeling my best and actually having people getting to enjoy our space now.
I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars.
And here's a few quick tips we did to save. I got a clearance light fixture and spray painted it in a flat black. That always gives it a high-end finish. And then I got some light covers. These were a really inexpensive way to dress up the fixture. I asked on Instagram and ended up choosing the white one.
Yes.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Feels like I can
If you haven't done this, the easiest way to hang your art is using painter's tape to measure the back of the two hooks. There's virtually no leveling involved. It's also great for that extra dust. I also love maximizing my storage. If you have a small bathroom like we do or a pedestal sink, install a shelf above your door. And you can get a grabber from the Dollar Tree, put it on a little command hook, and this is a great way to keep all of those bathroom extras. We went white and I'm just loving that look. Our towel hook was just $1. I love how low profile it is. And I love getting towels with the little loops on them. They're great for kids. And I just loved how the DIY art and all of the finishes turned out on a budget. Now on to the back patio. For this footage, I actually had to get it ready for Mother's Day. I didn't want to spend a lot of money out here either, and I'm going to tell you all the ways that we save. The first thing I did was power wash the deck, and this gives such a big impact with very little money spent. And you'll have to let me know in the comments down below, but I personally find it really relaxing to watch people power wash. We rented this washer, but you can also hire people relatively inexpensively, especially this time of year, to come and do this for you. It's actually a lot cheaper than you'd think.
You're shining your shoes, but hey, I got news. I ain't falling for all of that glitter this time. As ready as I can be this time. I'll be running free.
I also replaced our string light fixtures. They had seen better days, and if you're looking for the best deal on these, go to Costco. They are extremely high quality. Ours lasted for 5 years before they needed a replacement. Steer clear of your big box hardware stores for your patio furniture and your rugs, and check out Big Lots. We got this patio set several years ago and just love it. Cushions, and these are the old ones.
So, and we're replacing new ones, as you can see in those boxes.
Thanks, bud, for your help, man. You can also replace the cushions on Big Lots website, even if you don't have the Big Lots chairs. They are so affordable. Finally, an oasis that is worth celebrating. I love having spots of my home that look and feel their best. And don't forget about you too. I'm gonna have a link to ThreadUp's site down below, and don't forget to use the code DIME for 30% off your first order. You deserve it. Tell me what you're working on right now. It really is awesome to have parts of your home look and feel your best, and you deserve that too. If nobody has told you today, you are enough, and I cannot wait to catch you in the next video. Bye.
Tiny time.
You guys are like don't even know what you are.
I guess.